Yeah. Oh my, what? I feel like we just started Vlogmas and it's day 6. We're about to do a man's job right now and get some gas. Who got $113 to just blow? I know that's right. Black people are the only people that wait until we get to the gas station to clean our car out. $113, give me some. I wasn't born for this. Today's beach day, so we're getting gas first, and then we're headed to my favorite beach in San Diego, Del Mar. If you know, you know. We're actually racing against time because I don't want to miss this sunset at the beach. But first, I need a snack. Baby, there is nothing left. She's team. Yes, I know what I did there. Yeah. It's only day 6 and it's already ghetto. Oh my God. We got to figure that out. I come to the best part. I got this little hiding. Put those down. I got this little area. I have this little area that I park at when I go to Del Mar. Now, I don't know if nobody else know about it, but this is my little spot. I'm so excited, y'all. Water, matcha. Oh no, some people caught on to our spot. It's not as secluded as I thought. OOTD. It's so beautiful. I hear the waves. The ocean is waiting for me. Let's go. I'm so excited. I have my Bible. This is truly the life. I'm so nervous, but excited. Oh my gosh. You guys. Then it's so quiet. People are barely here. Sun's gone. That is okay. We just out here living like this. Wait, should I go put my feet in before I put these socks on? Why would I say no? It's so pretty, like, oh. I kind of want to touch it just a smidge. The view is cute, the water is not. Like, this probably is just enough. No, this is insane. I just want to touch the water just a little. It's freezing. It's so pretty. I don't even feel like I'm on Earth. Honestly, the water feels really good. Color the sky gets. This is so cute. I can't. I'm literally in a movie. This doesn't even feel real. And quickly reality has struck. The birds just ate my chips. I see the girl shooing the birds away. Oh my